Alright, here is my ocean floor diorama. So the supplies that I used is I used a little post office box. I had some sticky notes, blue tissue paper. I used some of, like, when I was cutting up the box, I used some of the extra pieces to make like the mid-ocean ridge and the trenches. But as you can see over here, I have the continental shelf and the continental slope. I have the same thing on this side. Here's the abyssal plain, the seamount, volcanic island, mid-ocean ridge. There are three main regions of the ocean floor, and they are the continental margin, ocean basin floor, and the mid-ocean ridge. Passive margins are found along remaining coastlines where no collision or subduction is taking place. There are also active margins, and active margins are found on the edge of a continent where is crashing into an oceanic plate, commonly sites of tectonic activities such as earthquakes and volcanoes. Here it is. I did the best that I could, and I hope you guys like my little creation.